What's up guys, back again with another YouTube video, and today what we're going to be doing is welding this oil bolt right here on my E46 because this is a common failing point when you start tracking these cars. These reverse thread bolts like to, nut likes to come out, and that causes obviously this to come off. So simple fix is either they use airplane wire, there's like an upgraded bolt you can buy, or you could just weld this. So today we're just gonna be welding it. All right, so first thing what we're gonna want to do is just wire wheel everything over here. So as you can tell right there, we got everything all nicely cleaned off. Now we're just gonna tack it on and weld it. All right, so that's how our tacks look right there. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. All it just has to do is lock that nut and hold it down. That's how you guys basically weld your oil pump and fix that problem with that nut backing out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.